What up, everybody? This is your boy HVAC Bone. Happy Monday. I'm headed to Beautiful Highway to a restaurant. My homeboy Willie sent me some pictures. It was a no heat call, and there was an air handler missing the heat strips, but the condenser was straight AC. So what do we have going on here? Hey, y'all stay tuned. All right, everybody, we here at the restaurant. I think it's called La Vie. I could be wrong, but they have some inspectors in there right now, so we got to wait till the inspectors go in and finish. It's a brand new restaurant, so if you can see at the top, the condensers is at the top, so we had to climb on top of the roof to see what's going on with everything. But hey, we're finna head there soon. Stay tuned. So this is the gas one right here. We up in the attic checking it out. Go ahead and do your thing. So we cutting to make sure, we cut a hole in the wall to make sure the flue pipe is connected, because you gotta have the flue pipe connected, or gas will be flowing throughout the facility. We don't want that. So let's check it out and see what's going on. Look at that, y'all. The flue pipe not even connected. So we got to connect this flue pipe. It's going up to the ceiling here. I don't know if y'all can see a little bit, but we got to connect that bad boy. See, gas would have just been going right into the facility. That's no good. So let's get this going. Right now, we're about to jump it out just to make sure it works. So we got to make sure it works so we can keep this thing rolling, man. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump R from W and just make sure a little heat work and make sure the blower come on. Then we'll stop because it ain't no flue pipe connected to it. So that's what we're doing now. So that's the second one. That's the second one. That's the air handler. The air handler over there. Then we got the gas over there. So we got to go over there and check everything out. That's the one that's missing the heat strips. So we got to get that going. Air handler. This gas too as well, as you can see. Furnace, gas furnace. And this one missing the flute too. So we have to connect that. There's a lot of problems going on with this, but we're going to get it right. Let's go. Look at this. It's the walk-in cooler. So something going on with the walk-in cooler too. Iced up all the way down. Man, it's a lot of service need to be done in here, and we here to do it. Let's go. All right, so I'm on the other side, so you can see that the flute pipe not connected. They need to be connected to here. And we got the other one. We got that going, so the gas is going on this one too. Gas valve was off. I got it on. As you can hear it, the flames is out. We're making sure the blower motor come on. We'll go from there. Yeah. So up here at the top is, they have the wires there for a heat pump, but it's only 2 wires, so it's straight AC. And they got the good module in there and everything. So they spent money on it, but they got the wrong system. So we're looking to repair that one, repair this one, and repair this one. So we just gotta get everything right. We definitely gonna let him know what's going on and see where he wanna go from there. All right, until the next one, out. What up, everybody? This your boy HVAC Bone. All right, so we back here. This is like the second recording of this. I got a couple footage of the first time I was here. So they was out of electric heat strips. So I got 2 electric heat strips that's going in today. On the top of the roof, I got to put the pad and this armor flex around the suction line. So I'm finna get ready and do that first. Then on the inside, we got to run all this stuff right here and the elbows and everything to the vents. So we're gonna do all that today and get it going so they can get some heat. Let's go. All right, we made it to the roof. I'm gonna put this pad under that one. Suction line need to be wrapped up with this on each unit. So we're gonna do this one, that one, and this one right here. Let's go. All right, so we got all the suction line insulated like it's supposed to be. We got the condenser pad under the condenser like it's supposed to be. Everything looking good. So that's how you want your suction line to be insulated, so it won't freeze over and nothing like that in the summertime. So we're looking good. Let's go on the inside and get these heat strips going. Let's go. All right, we made it to the air handler. About to get ready and put the heat strips in. See, it's missing there, so get ready and connect it, get everything going. Got Willie working on the other side. I don't know if you can see where the light at right there, but he over there putting the heat strips in over here. Over there, then I'm gonna put one in over here. So let's get it going. All right, so I got everything mounted. Heat strips in. We'll get ready and test everything out. Finish mounting everything else up. That's the breaker for it. So get ready to mount that up and go from there. Let's go. All right, so what we did, We installed the heat strips in the back, installed the breaker for it, and a float switch. I always gotta have a float switch, because if anything go wrong, it will be a leak in the ceiling, so you don't want that. So that's what we did. All right, let's go and let's test everything out. All right, so cool. We got everything mounted, heat strips, got the breaker, got the float switch, got everything in. I'm doing this one over here, and as you can see down there, Willie doing that one down there. So we knocking it out, double teaming it. Let's go. All right, man. Say, hey, we got everything back together. Tested the volts, everything look good. Heat strips working, ready to rock and roll. All right, so here, only thing I'm doing is connecting the exhaust vent to the system to here so it can go outside like it's supposed to. Then we'll get this gas going and get some heat going. Let's go. All right, so we got the insulation on there. Not the insulation, but we got the exhaust on there. So, but the door is missing, so we had to order the door and go from there. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we got the heat working. Got both auxiliary heats in, the heat strips going. Man, it's already heated up in here, feeling good, man. So, man, got everything going. Got the gas. We're still working on the gas right now. That's what he's doing. But we also got that tied up, so we done, man. Hey, until the next one, HVAC Bone out.